Just when you think you've seen it all, right? It's like 7 o'clock in the morning. Look at this shit. Freaking cameras. That is bizarre. It's got a solar panel on top. A generator. This is crazy. And this is out in the woods, look. Like, what the hell? I've seen it all. Oh, look at that. That's interesting. I wonder if I can get down. Somebody cut a big hole in the fence down here. I've never been down here. Look, this is pretty cool. The tree coming right through. Interesting. I wonder if I can cut through the fence. Look, somebody cut a fence right through there. A hole through the fence. They cut a fence through. Yeah. Right on, Doc. That makes sense. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. The sun is up. Oh, they did not cut a hole through here? Come on, folks, you're letting me down. Well, yeah, there is a hole. Right there. Aha. I knew somebody would do that, but you know what? There's no way I'm getting across that water with all the flooding, so I gotta backtrack because I want to get over there. And guys, you can see, and ladies, you can see the water down there before you get to the tracks that I would have had to have crossed. And that's not going to happen this morning. Same thing down on that side. I don't have a boat, and I don't think I can float this morning. Too damn early. That's a great view down there, though. Gotta love it. What do we have over here? Anti-suicide fence. Oh. Interesting paintings. Kind of spooky. Man, these steps are rickety. Yeah, they've got a little tribute to the mural painters here. All their names. Now you can see where I'm at, Texas Beach. Apparently a lot of people get robbed down here. I hear a train. Oh man, I wish I could be. I'm pretty far up in the air on this side. This is dug down, man. Oh wow. Here comes a train. Got here just in time. Check it out. Look at all that coal, huh? Look at all that renewable energy whipping by. I hope I don't get caught out in the rain down here because I don't have any rain gear. thing. They got all sorts of stuff down here. Look at this. Whoa. All right. Well, this is really strange. Look at that. Huh. Spare parts. You can see the stairs aren't in such great shape, guys. None of this is. It's pretty sketchy, actually. And you can get to the train right from here. Climb right up on these rocks. Go through the broken fence. And into the water, I guess. But, check it out. Wow. Somebody really did a number on that fence too, huh? They mauled it. Friggin' Sasquatches, probably. You guys believe in the Sasquatch, the Bigfoot, the Yeti? Oh, this is cool. Swamp thing. Look at this lumber floating down here like... People suck, man. Continue back through here. All sorts of critters. Oh, look. Oh. Oh, this is nice. Try to get around this. Sweet. Huh. How's this for a cool little path? Look at all these roots. Pretty awesome. I'm keeping an eye out for snakes because we got a lot of copperheads down here and they like to come out in this type of weather. You know, I feel like being bit again this year. We got snapped up 2 years ago. And a black widow spider. That was gnarly. That one had me feeling pretty bad for a little bit. And Christ, bit me on the foot. My toe was swollen and disgusting and scabby, and I won't describe it, but probably for a good 2 months, 3 months maybe. No medical treatment. More webs here. I'm hearing water. Must be coming down to something down here. Okay. Not sure what this is. A raceway for water with graffiti and some rocks to climb. So that's what we're gonna do. Up we go. Neat little ledge there. Take a header. Wow, that other train's parked right there. I can get to it. Hey, look at that little beach area. Sorta. Well, that's neat. Alright, looks like we're coming into something here. And I hear water like rapidly rushing by. Oh, a footbridge. What the hell? Uh-oh. Guys, I just walked into a homeless camp. Seriously. Oh, jeez. That's all I need. Oh, freaking webs. Ah, fucking Gilligan's Island. They got a boat. Fucking SS Minnow. Well, that's some shit right there. Not really looking to run into these guys or person or whatever. This place is strange, man. What the hell? You're seeing what I'm seeing. Huh. I don't know what to make of this. Whoa! Almost busted my ass. These rocks are pretty slippery, as you can see. Slimy. Here's a look back the other way. The humidity level is through the roof. Oh, that's pretty through there. Just gotta get through this. Nice. I wonder if there's any fish down here. I wouldn't eat any fish out of the James River, but I don't know if any get caught up through this channel or what. Somebody's flip-flop down there. Well, if I ran into somebody, I'm prepared. You guys, webs. You guys knew damn right well I had to come up here. Wow. That sucker goes as far as the eye can see in either direction. Literally. Huh. Well, this one's live, so all these trains are live up here. Look at that shit over there. I know where that is. Well, I'm getting the hell out of here in case this thing starts up.